Topics in the chapter: resources, types of resources, natural resources, human resources, conserving resources, resource conservation, and sustainable development. So, in this chapter, we will study this topic. Resources. Basically, resources. Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. This means that a thing that satisfies a human need is a resource. What makes a thing resource? So, first, usability or utility. The utility or usage of a things make it a resource. So, by usage, it makes it a resource. Like you can see in the picture, electricity. Second, economic value. Like you can see that metals have an economic value, but some things do not have. Have you seen metals have economic value, but a landscape painting does not have? But a thing, both satisfy human needs. Therefore, both are considered factors that can turn a substance into a resource. Time, as if your grandma's ready is not a resource today, but if it is taken by time, it will be a resource. Technology can turn a simple and simple substance into a beautiful resource. Formation of one resource leads to another, as you can see that the process of invention of fire leads to the another process, which is the process of cooking. Types of resources. There are three types of resources. First, natural resources, which are obtained from nature. Second, human-made resources, which are made by humans, and human resources, as human is also itself a resource. We will study later how these are resources. First type, natural resources. Resources which are drawn from nature without any human interference. It means the resources which are जो रिसोर्सेज नेचर में से लिए जाते हैं बिना कोई इंटरफेरेंस के, उन्हें हम कहते हैं नेचुरल रिसोर्स. Natural resources are classified into different groups on different bases, like depending upon their level of development, origin, stock, and distribution. These are the four factors on which natural resources, different groups in which natural resources is divided. So let's start. So, on the basis of their development and use resources, it can be classified into two groups. Actual resources. Those resources whose quantity is known, means that quantity is known of the resources. Potential resources whose quantity may not be known. So, the difference is the quantity is known and not be known. Based on their origin, this is the second on which we can classify it into two groups. Abiotic resources and biotic resources. Abiotic resources, non-living resources. That are non-living resources is abiotic, like soil. Biotic, which are living resources like plants and animals. On the basis of stock. First, renewable resources. Those resources which cannot be finished, like solar energy, soil, forest. And non-renewable resources, the resources which are limited in stock, which can be finished one day, called petroleum. On the basis of their distribution, resources, ubiquitous, resources that are found everywhere, like air. Localized, resources that are found in only certain places, like copper, iron ore. Human-made resources. Human-made resources are the resources which are made by humans, like bridges, buildings. Human resources. Human resources means human itself, as you use their knowledge and skills to make a thing a resource. What makes actually a human resource? It's one and the only education and health which makes a human a valuable resource, as they may use their skills and knowledge to turn a thing to a resource. Without them, no resource is a resource. sustainable development. It is a development which meets the need of present but also meets the conditions of the future. So it is known as sustainable development. Thank you for watching my video and hope you have understood the chapter 1